This site can't be reached error in Google Chrome. If your Google Chrome is showing that unknown message, this site can be reached and you can open any website, don't worry. Let's start with the first method. So check your internet connection, guys. Before doing anything else, make sure your connection is actually working. Try opening other websites using a different browser, or even test your phone on the same Wi-Fi network. If nothing loads, restart your modem or router, turn it off, wait about 50 seconds and turn it back on. Okay, if other devices are working fine, then the issue is your computer or laptop. Okay, and that's where the next step comes in. Now for the method number 2, guys, clear Chrome and cache and cookies. Okay, so Chrome stores temporary data to load and sites faster, but sometimes, guys, these files get corrupted and cause connection issues. So to fix that, we are going on Chrome. Okay, here on Chrome you're going to click with the 3 dots right here, go on configuration or settings, and here we are going to privacy and security and delete history. And here we are going on period. We are going to click here on last hour and go on all period. We are going to leave mark navigation historic cookies and images and cache. Okay, so click to delete data, and that's it, guys. So the method number 3, guys, is flush the DNS cache in Windows. So to do that, we are going to press Windows plus R and we are going to type cmd. Okay, here on cmd we are going to type epconfig space flush DNS. We are going to apply. Okay, and this clear your DNS cache, which might be holding our data connection info. So after that, close the window and try accessing the site again. Okay, the method number 4, guys, is reset your network settings. Still in command prompt. So by now we are going to open an administration command. We are going to click the right button and go on open as administrator, and here we are going to type all of that. I'm going to leave in the description. Okay, let me just, we are going to type NATSH space WINSOCK space RASAT. Then you're going to press OK. Okay, the next one is NATSH space ENT space IP space RASAT. Press enter again. Then we are going to write epconfig space / release, enter, and then epconfig space renew. All of that will be in the description below. Okay, so you don't need to actually remember all of that. And then restart your computer. Okay, these commands restore your network configuration and fix communication errors that can trigger this message. So the method number 5, guys, is clear Chrome on DNS cache. So open Chrome and type this in the address bar. Let's open Chrome and type this. As I said, this will be in the description below, so just copy and paste in the address bar. Then click on clear host cache. Now you can close and reopen Chrome. This clears the internal DNS cache inside Chrome, which is different from Windows DNS cache. Okay, guys. The next step, guys, is update to Google Chrome. Okay, you can go on Google Chrome website. Let me go on there to teach you. Google Chrome update. Click with the first button, then it will tell you what to do it. So you're going to click with the right button right here, go on help and go on about Chrome. and if there is update, that will be showing right here. For me it doesn't, but for you it can. Okay, so the next step, guys, and the last step is go on control panel. You are here on show for small icons and go on options of the internet. So then we are going on sharing a network. We are going to click to change the configurations of the adapter. Click the right button and the internet. Go on IPv4, and here on the last one we are going to type 8888 and the last one 8844. This is the Google DNS, so you're going to click OK. And that's it, guys. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel to grow. Subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials, and leave a comment below. Let me know which method worked for you, and if you still have any questions, tell me. I read all the comments and I reply to as many as I can. Okay, so thanks for watching to the end, and I see you in the next video. But if you still can't fix it, don't worry, you can reach out to me using the contact link in the description, and I will solve it for you.